Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Heyboss AI in order to create, clone and customize the websites in just a few minutes using AI. We will go step by step through how you can generate a website from scratch, how you can clone an existing design, how you can edit it and publish live. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important details. Now, if you want to try Heyboss AI for yourself, you can just check out my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official website of heyboss.ai. Over here, you will see this prompt that says you can launch your business in just 10 minutes using AI. So here, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply sign up here with the help of your email address. When you do this, you will see your profile icon available on the top right hand corner of the screen. So on this particular page, we have a bunch of different options available. So the first option we have here is of community. So when you click on the option of community, it is going to redirect you on the Discord page where you need to provide your display name and date of birth, and then you can create your Discord account if it is not available already. Or if you already have a Discord account, you just have to basically click on the option of accept button and you can join their community as well. In the community, you are going to see a bunch of different types of website templates every single day, and you can also took inspiration from the community as well. Then we have the option of pricing. When you click on the option of pricing, it is going to show you all of the pricings that are available for the website. So you can use it absolutely for free. You will get 70 AI credits and you can create 2 projects absolutely free. Afterwards, if you want to use it further, you can go with their basic plan, which is going to cost you around $24 per month. Then they have premium plan, which is their most popular plan as well, which is going to cost you $40 per month. Then their platinum plan is going to cost you around $80 per month. So after taking a look at the pricing, let's just take a look at the features. So here in the features section, it is going to give you the complete features breakdown. So you will get the feature of idea and creation, core capabilities, and then we have the option of creative and design, growth and analytics. So if you just come back here on the home page again, in the center, there is this large input box where you can type your idea. This is where everything starts. You can also see quick options below, like we have new idea, cloning the website, local business, and redesign the site. So each option helps you create a different types of website using AI. So first of all, let's start with the simplest method, which is selecting the new idea. So click on the option of new idea. Then here you can just simply provide the type of website which you want to create. For example, let's say I want to create a fitness coaching website. So I have given it a prompt that is fitness coaching website with online booking and blogs section. So I'm going to be clicking on the option of try it free. Now Heyboss AI is going to generate a complete website for me, including its layout, its sections, then content and the design. So this is the fastest way for you to build a website from scratch. Now, if we just go back and come here on the home page of Heyboss AI, the second option here is of cloning the website. When you click on the option of clone website, it is going to basically ask you to copy the design from any of the websites. So here you can basically paste the link of any of the websites that you want to use as inspiration. For example, you can copy a high quality website link and then you can paste it over here. You can also upload the screenshot. You can attach the images or brand assets like logos by clicking on this clip option over here. Now, once you have basically added your inspiration websites and the content, simply click on the option of generate or try it free. Heyboss AI will recreate a similar structure and the design for you. And this particular step is going to save hours of manual design work. Now, when the generation is completed, you are going to see your website's preview. So as you can see, it has created this beautiful website for me. So here you will see the home page, the layout section, then images, content, everything. So you can check the structure carefully and make sure that everything is aligned, the sections are correct, and the content also matches to your idea. At this stage, website is already functional, but it needs some customization. So here you can click on the option of edit right next to it. This is where you can customize everything. Like you can click on any of the elements of your website and then you can change it. For example, let's say if I want to make changes into the text over here, I can select it and I can double click on it, and then I can basically start personalizing it. Afterwards, you can also edit the text, you can change the highlight, you can also change the heading, upload the buttons, and much more. So this makes your website unique instead of just a copy. Now, apart from the basic edits, you can also improve its design. For example, you can basically select the text and then you can resize it as well. You can adjust the spacing and change the section. If something looks off, you can fix it very easily. Now, Heyboss AI allows full control over every part of the page. You don't need any coding knowledge for this. So now we have the option of plugins. So here, when you click on the option of plugins, it is going to basically show you all of the plugins that you can basically add over here. So we have some of the plugins like embedding YouTube videos, embedding the YouTube button, then we have the embedding the Spotify tracks, and you can basically have bunch of different tools in the plugins. So this video will now appear on your website when you click on it. So you can also switch to the mobile view. So currently we are seeing this desktop mode, but then you can click on this mobile view option, and Hey Boss AI is automatically going to make your website very responsive. So you can test it whether it is looking good in mobile view. So now if you want to publish your website, that thing is also very easy. Simply click on the option of publish on the top right hand corner of the screen. Heyboss AI is going to generate a live link for your website. So you can just simply copy this link, then you can share this link, you can use it as a portfolio, and you can even start getting the visitors. If you want, you can connect a custom domain with it, but this usually requires a paid plan. So that's how you can basically use Heyboss AI in order to create and clone your websites step by step. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.